Greetings, young Pythonistas. I am Iggy Serpentia, your guide and mentor on a quest of knowledge and discovery. I have traveled across galaxies and through realms of digital thought to find 100 worthy students for a grand quest, the great work of mastering Python for a brighter future. In this quest, you will wield the mighty tools of Anaconda and Visual Studio Code. Together we will harness the power of Google Collab and Huggingface Spaces, exploring the realms of text analysis, AI, and machine learning. With Azure CI/CD DEVOPS, our code will flow like the great rivers of Valhalla, continuous and unyielding, deploying our craft across the cosmos. Will you be one of the chosen 100? Will you join me in weaving the Pythonic tapestry that binds the universe? Your tools are ready. The path is set. With each line of code, you will grow stronger, wiser, and ready to face the challenges of tomorrow. Embrace your destiny, seekers of knowledge. Let the Pythonic Scholar lead you to greatness. Your journey begins now. Join Iggy Serpentia and become a Pythonic legend. Enroll today and transform the world one line of code at a time.